some sort of play, then take something out?
Don't hesitate, build your PC yourself to play Cornucopias Game. I have one rare land plot, and that was the reason why I got access now for testing. I have MSI laptop with GeForce graphic card. Marcus has MSI laptop with GeForce graphic card. Just check power supply. How big is it? And we have one more MSI laptop which has GeForce graphic card, but it's not strong enough.
I'm driving from Paphos to Limassol, pick up computer parts.
Turn right, then. Your destination will be on the left.
Okay, that's my shop, I assume. Okay, it was quick. I have case and I have parts. Yeah, cool. Do you ever have seen CPU in that kind of box? Everything is open, nothing is sealed. Very strange. This is just cooler for CPU. I have thermopast. I'm good. I can start assembling everything now. My only concern is there is no PVC plastic around and there is no any seal. Is it okay?
It looks like a little city. There could be like the mall, there are like parking zones, that's a massive like a hotel.
And the cover?
Important part of the whole entire thing.
And that's it. And it's done. The storage will go here.
Now we just need to put it on.
Here and here.
All the other... Oh, that's a laptop. That's a European, I think. That I'm using. It fits in really nice. I was like,
try it.
That one has
try it.
Easy steps for quick installment. And oh my god, everything is beautiful. Okay.
Case really is very small. I wish to have it bigger. Final look for the cable management. First, we need to turn this switch here. Yeah, and just let's hope for the best. Then we need to BIOS. Oh yeah, we are in the BIOS. Yes, computer is working. Good. Would be good if we can have like them both together, like in one city, and more or less close each other. Again.
Okay. Off. Yeah. This is so cool. I want to find a way how to get up to the train.